Hi, I'm Glenn. I'm the owner of Heatspec. We're a family-run business based in the Midlands. We're covering domestic, commercial and industrial applications through service, maintenance and installation. We've got a range of sites that we've got many rural locations, which is ideal for LPG applications because it is more efficient for them. Get a cleaner fuel, it's cheaper maintenance, more cost effective to run their homes, factories, warehouses. So we're always actively trying to bring people on board with Calor because it's a better way for them to save money using a different fuel. We've done above ground, below ground, we've even done a couple of cylinders for different applications such as cookers. So yeah, there's such a varying amount of things we've done with LPG, it covers everything. We've worked with Calor for many years. We've got a really good relationship. I can ring any of the guys, they help me out whenever they can. They're very flexible with when they can get to the customers. They come out on site, they measure up the tanks for us, they give us that little bit of reassurance to the customer if they are uneasy about swapping over from solid fuel or oil. They give that little bit of extra comfort there for the customer to make it a nice transition. We just hook up from their reg and it makes it so much easier. Several years ago we went to an installer day at Calor at Stony Stanton. We were briefed on the incentives that we could gain as an installer. They signed us up very easily, very simple to do, all done within a few minutes.
My name's Ben Chillis, domestic sales rep for Calor. The online installer community is a place where you can go onto the website, submit details of your customers looking to move to LPG, get some technical information and the tanks that we offer, above or underground tanks. So the kind of support that you'll get from the sales rep is that if the installer was to give you a call, I would arrange to go and meet them on site and we'd run through exactly what we can and can't do in terms of tank location, pipe runs, etc. So you get that kind of one-to-one personal touch.
We're on the Find Installer tool on the website. It's great for customers to find us locally as we are registered. There's a little bit of confidence for the customer that we're an approved installer by Calor, and we've had several leads from service, maintenance and installation.
Calor will reward any installer £250 for each tank that successfully comes in.
I spoke to a few of the guys who I know who are in the trade and I've recommended Calor highly for their customers themselves because it's helped us to broaden our horizons with customers and they'd really appreciate the help that they get from Calor will build their customer base also.
To join the Calor installer community, go to www.calor.co.uk/installer. Register your details on there and somebody from Calor will be in contact with you.